Taking care of your heart is essential for overall health and well-being. Here are 5 tips for maintaining a healthy heart. A. Maintain a balanced diet. Consume a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Limit your intake of saturated and trans fats, as well as sodium salt. Avoid excessive consumption of processed and sugary foods. Do regular exercise. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic exercise or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity aerobic exercise. Include both cardiovascular exercises, e.g., walking, jogging, cycling, and strength training in your routine. Manage stress. Chronic stress can contribute to heart problems. Find healthy ways to manage stress, such as meditation, deep breathing, yoga, or hobbies you enjoy. Ensure you get enough sleep, as sleep is essential for stress management and overall heart health. 4. Don't smoke. Smoking is a major risk factor for heart disease. If you smoke, seek help to quit. Avoid exposure to secondhand smoke and other harmful chemicals. 5. Regular checkups. Visit your healthcare provider for regular checkups and screenings. High blood pressure, high cholesterol, and diabetes are risk factors for heart disease, so early detection and management are crucial. Follow your doctor's advice and take prescribed medications if needed.